This problem says, what process occurs when hydrogen and hydroxide ions are combined in equal concentration? So hydrogen ions are H+, that's a hydrogen as an ion, which makes a plus charge since it's in group 1. And hydroxide ions are a polyatomic ion that is OH-, and that's just something that you have to memorize, that hydroxide means OH-. So when you combine H+ and OH-, what that forms is we have 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So what it forms is H2O, or water. Also, keep in mind that a hydrogen ion is an acidic. It's an acidic ion. So if you have a higher concentration of hydrogen ions, that would make something acidic. Whereas if you have a higher concentration of hydroxide ions, that would be basic. So when they're in equal concentration, they neutralize each other to make a neutral compound, which is water. So since it makes a neutral compound, we call it neutralization. And that's pretty much what this question is asking. So the process is called neutralization. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Or if you'd like to see a video on a homework help question that you have, feel free to leave that in the comments as well. I have information in the description about if you would like to contact me for private tutoring, or if you just have a general question. Thanks for watching.